Bonjour mes amis, j'espère que vous allez bien. In today's video, I'm going to give you the tips on how to clear your production oral for DELF B2. For production oral, there is a fixed pattern that you have to follow to give your presentation. Let's see that. You get 30 minutes to prepare your expose. Try to finish your preparation in 20 minutes and spare 10 minutes for practice. And before the jury, you have to speak for 20 minutes. You have to divide your expose into the following parts. See, the first part is to be the introduction of the article. After that, present the plan of your expose. Then say about the situation, actual, and the advantages. After that, the disadvantages, and finally, you have to give the solutions to the problem, your opinion, and the conclusion. If you are speaking in the favor of the topic, speak that previously, and after that, give the points, few points against that topic. And if you are speaking against the topic, speak against the topic previously, and after that, give a few points in favor of that topic. See how to present your first part of the expose. You start with the salutations. Wish the jury. After that, you have to give the title of your article that you have to prepare yourself. You can say l'article que j'ai choisi s'intitule and give the title of your article. Or you can say le titre de l'article que j'ai choisi est. Give the title. After that, you have to tell the source of this article, from where it has been taken, what is the date, and it has been written by whom. All this information you will get from your topic itself. Cet article est tiré du, daté du et écrit par. After that, give the broad outline about the article, about what it is all about. And say, comme son titre l'indique, ce document parle ou ce document s'agit de, and explain. Then, most important thing, you have to give the problematic. What is the problem in this particular article? About which topic we are going to discuss. La problématique soulevée dans cet article est. And ask a question with inversion. You can give the problematic in the following manner. First, la question avec inversion. Serait-il possible de? Ask the question. Expliquez votre question. C'est-à-dire, et donnez la explication. Give the explanation. And then change the form of the explanation and say, autrement dit. Now give the explanation in some different form. You have to explain your problematic in 3 different ways. So you have to be very clear about your problematic, and this problematic in itself carries marks. You have to make a proper problematic. After that, come to the second part. And in this part say, permettez-moi, le jury, de vous présenter le plan de mon exposé. And you have to give the plan over here. You have to divide the exposé into 3 parts. First of all, tout d'abord, nous allons voir. In this part, you have to give the present situation, like what the article is all about. And after that, you have to examine the pros and the cons. Okay? Ensuite, nous examinerons. And after that, finally, you have to give your conclusion, your opinion, your suggestions, all this. Et finalement, je vais conclure en prenant une position or mon point de vue vis-à-vis ce sujet. Now come to the main topic, okay? Say, maintenant, je voudrais commencer par la première partie de ma présentation ou mon exposé, qui est, and in this you have to explain everything. What is the problem? Are you in favor of something? If you are in favor of something, give the points in favor, okay? And you have to give minimum 3 points. And you start by saying the bore. The bore means first of all, and after that, add the points by saying the plus or par ailleurs, such kind of language you have to use. Okay. After that, come to the contradiction. If you're speaking in favor of a topic, now you have to give some points against that topic also. Okay. For that, you say, venons-en maintenant à la deuxième partie de mon exposé qui est, give some heading, some title, like les problèmes or désavantages, or you can also say that nous ne pouvons pas nier les inconvénients. To start with the negative portion, with the against portion or disadvantages, you can say that we can't ignore the disadvantages, and you can start giving the disadvantages. You have to give less points over here as compared to your first point, because your first topic is the main to which you are supporting, and this is that you have to give in addition some of the points against your points that you gave in the first part. So here also you can give the points in the following way, like en premier lieu, en deuxième lieu, and finalement. After that, the third part, the final part, in this you have to give the suggestions or your opinion, or finally you have to conclude over here. So you can start by saying on ce concerne mon opinion à propos de, or quanta, or vis-à-vis ce sujet, je pense que, and start giving your points, start giving your suggestions, your opinion, everything. And after that you have to conclude in one line, on some means in total, and give the conclusion that how do you feel, what are your views, what all is there. And after that, remember one thing, don't say c'est tout, c'est fini. No. You should say je suis maintenant disponible pour votre caution, madame ou monsieur. After that, the debate will follow. The jury will ask you questions. And remember, if you are speaking in favor of the topic, the jury will speak against your opinion and you have to contradict. For that, don't be impolite with the jury. Don't be impolite with the jury. Don't just say that, no, you are not wrong. My opinion is this and this. My opinion is correct. No, you have to use a soft language. You have to be polite with the jury. You can say like this. Ce que vous avez dit est correct, madame, mais j'ai une opinion un peu différente. Permettez-moi de vous expliquer en prenant ou en citant un exemple personnel. Or you can say, je suis vraiment désolé de vous contredire, madame. Selon moi, and start giving your opinion. Or you can say, je suis vraiment désolé, mais je ne pense pas comme vous, madame. Je pense que. Or, il faut voir les choses dans sa totalité. So these are the fashion, these are the manners in which you talk to the jury. Okay? So I hope that if you follow this pattern, you are surely going to be successful in your production oral, and that too with very good marks. So bonne chance à vous. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, to subscribe, and to share. Merci.